Hey, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. We're going to do things a little different today, and we're going to switch it up, and we're going to do a petal using 6 different types of mesh. Okay, so we have the regular fabric mesh, we have a regular deco mesh, we have the heavily fold deco mesh, we have the check fabric mesh, we have poly burlap, and we have the horizontal white stripe. So I thought we would do just the simple pinwheel petal. And y'all let me know in the comments what petal I should do next. Okay, so we're going to see how all different types of these meshes using the same petal fold look. Okay, so let me bring you down, and I'm going to try to do these the exact same way. So we will start with the regular deco mesh. Get y'all a little better angle. So these are all square pieces of mesh. Some are 10 by 10, some are 10 and a quarter. So make sure you square your mesh, measure it first, and then square it so that you have the perfect square. Okay, so for the regular pinwheel, you're going to take your mesh curved side up, diamond shape. You're going to bring that top to the bottom, kind of line those up, line up your edges. And then for the regular pinwheel, you're going to take that right tip to that bottom tip, just like that. And then you can do that next part one of two ways. Either you can just take this left side, tuck it up under, just like that, or you can just flip it over and do the exact same thing that you did on the other side, just like that. And then we're going to measure 2 inches up, and we're going to band it. Just like that. So that is the pinwheel petal using regular fabric mesh. We're going to use the check fabric mesh, which is a little sturdier than your regular fabric mesh. Okay, so we're going to do that same thing. Curved side up, diamond shape, top to the bottom. You can just see I'm kind of flattening it out. We're going to bring that right tip to the bottom. And then I'm just going to take this left tip, tuck it back, line up that tip at the bottom, and 2 inches up. Band it. There is your check fabric mesh. And you can even see between the two, the black is a little more see-through than that green is. Okay. We're going to do the horizontal white stripe. Same way. Curved side up, top to the bottom. Now remember, this is the regular pinwheel. It is not the pointed pinwheel. Okay. So right tip to the bottom. We're going to tuck that left one right under, lining up that bottom tip. 2 inches up. You will notice this one is a little thicker. It holds its shape a little better. And it's not as poofy as these other two. So it's all going to be, number one, what's available, but number two, the look you're going for, right? Regular Deco mesh. Same thing. You can see I'm flattening that top on every one of these. Right down, left back. Two inches. There's your regular Deco mesh. We're going to do the heavily fold Deco mesh. You can see there's all kinds of metallic foil in that one. Under. Your heavily fold. So you can see the difference. And then the poly burlap. I don't know that a lot of people use poly burlap anymore, but it is still available and a lot of people do still have it. It is one of the more expensive meshes, and it frays quite a bit if you do not wood burn it. So if you're gonna do it with these petals, I do suggest wood burning your poly burlap, okay? And there's your poly burlap. So this one is almost as sturdy as your horizontal white stripe. It has a little more give than your horizontal white stripe. The horizontal white stripe can be molded a little easier. It can be flattened out a little bit more because it's a little thicker. Okay, so there is the horizontal white stripe, the poly burlap, the heavily fold Deco mesh, regular Deco mesh, regular fabric mesh. And you can see this one does not hold its shape as well as the others, but if this is the look you're going for, then it can definitely be done. And then here is your check fabric mesh. So they all hold up. They all give you the same pinwheel petal, but they look just a little bit different. You can see how poofy some of these are versus how flat some of these are. So It just depends on the look you're going for. Number one, it could be the price range. Number two, horizontal wide stripe is gonna be regular. Actually, your regular Deco mesh is gonna be your least expensive. Then the horizontal wide stripe. Now, I have not checked fabric mesh too much lately, but I believe it's going to be next. And then your check fabric is going to be more expensive than your regular fabric mesh. And then it's going to be this, I believe they actually call deluxe. I call it heavily fold. And then your poly burlap's going to be the most expensive. Okay, so there is your pinwheel petal using all the main types of mesh. Okay, so just depends on what look you're going for. There you go. So in the comments, make sure you tell me what petal you want me to do next, and we'll compare them all doing another petal next time. All right, bye y'all.